know, he sleeps on the ground all day. I don't think he's gonna even look at the rug.
I'm not doing this for him. I'm doing this for me, so I can be proud of my home. And how do you know where he sleeps?
I don't, actually. What's that smell?
What smell?
It smells like rotten food or something. You can't smell that?
Well, find it.
You can't smell this? I better throw this out.
Oh, Sookie.
Yeah.
Jason and Tara are coming over this evening as well.
Gran.
Well, they invited themselves. Jason said that he wants to meet the vampire for himself, and Tara said she thought she ought to be here as well.
I don't know why everyone's getting their panties in a wad about some stupid vampire.
Did you want to be alone with him?
I don't know. Maybe. Aren't you going to tell me to be careful?
You're always careful, Sookie, about what counts. And I can depend on that. Isn't that right?